Before we gonna start, please subscribe my channel and hit bell icon. Let's get started. How does the Instagram algorithm work in 2021? In 2017, I decided to jump into the platform in full force and become a freelance photographer. Instagram would be my primary source of traffic and business. That means that I am 100% keeping tabs on how to beat the Instagram algorithm. Rumor has it that only 10% of your audience can see your posts in their feed. What a rip-off. But we can do this. It is still possible to beat the Instagram algorithm. I'm going to show you my secrets and top tips for growing and beating the Instagram algorithm, aka the ones I used to get over 100k followers. What we know about the 2021 Instagram algorithm with the addition of Instagram stories, insights, and more. Figuring out how to beat the Instagram algorithm year to year can be time consuming. And now Instagram is hitting likes. What metrics do we even use to measure out success when trying to beat the 2021 Instagram algorithm? If you're looking to work with brands on Instagram, you can read my blog on how to do that here. Then, unfortunately, keeping up with the algorithm is a must. So what will the 2021 Instagram algorithm have in store? Let's find out. Number 1. The Instagram algorithm keeps tabs on what you like. Ever notice that when you like a specific type of post, you seem to see more of them? That's because the Instagram algorithm factors in how what you engage with and predicts that's the content you care about. Those actions determine the order of your newsfeed. This Instagram algorithm feature also determines what type of content you will see in the future. I also want to point out that just because Instagram is hitting likes, that doesn't mean likes are going away. You can still double tap a photo, which will signal to the 2021 Instagram algorithm that you want to see more content like this in the future. Number 2. The Instagram algorithm watches engagement with your followers. If you comment or are even tagged in someone's posts often, then there is a higher chance that you will end up in that individual's important category. Some other popular Instagram resources also refer to this as the friends and family category. What does that mean? You're telling the Instagram algorithm, hey, this person is important to me and I want to see more of them on my feed. That means engaging with your followers is crucial if you want to grow on Instagram. You must reply to comments and DMs so your followers see more of your posts. Also, not replying to comments and DMs can be a huge bummer for your audience. When someone takes the time to engage with you, it's because they want to, it's important to them. So please, even if beating the 2021 Instagram algorithm isn't your primary goal, reply to comments and DMs to have better conversations with your followers. Show them you care. Number 3. The Instagram algorithm considers time. Instagram wants to show its followers the latest and greatest, which means time is a factor you must always consider. If you pay attention to when most of your followers are online, they'll be more likely to see your content. I suggest having an Instagram business account so you can keep up with analytics that may factor into the Instagram algorithm. Keeping up with analytics will also help you measure other important metrics for beating the Instagram algorithm. 2 factors for beating the 2021 Instagram algorithm. Okay, so when it comes to your newsfeed, it looks like there are 4 main points the Instagram algorithm takes into consideration. These points can be put into 2 categories. Let's talk more about those and what they have to do with the Instagram algorithm. Number 1. Engagement is key for beating the Instagram algorithm. The Instagram algorithm in 2021 works by showing users the content they are likely to engage with. As previously stated, have you ever noticed that when you like someone's posts, you tend to see more of them on your feed? If you scroll down your feed long enough, you will see posts from most accounts you follow. Typically, you have to scroll very far, and Instagram will eventually stop you from scrolling with a "you're all caught up now" note. I tried this, and it took a long time to get to the bottom of my newsfeed. It's not likely that your followers will do that. It's much too long of a process. That being said, if only 10% of them actually see your posts. So how do we engage enough to beat the Instagram algorithm in 2021? Number 2. The Instagram algorithm believes time is everything. Instagram is a social platform that makes money from ads. The easiest way for your followers to see company ads is to keep your followers on the app longer. That means that the more time you keep your followers on the app, the more the Instagram algorithm will favor you. Thanks for watching.